I'm going to interrupt Hammer Bro and Hammer Sis Kiss. Ha 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 ha. Surprise! You stupid dummy bunnies.
Oh 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 oh. Oh my god. Dark Giga Meowser. We can't believe you interrupted our kiss by yelling at us and calling us dummy bunnies.
That's it. Get out of our sight right now while we call your parents. No.
Hello. Is this Dark Giga Meowser's parents? You will not believe what your son Dark Giga Meowser did this time. He interrupted me and my boyfriend's kiss by yelling at us and calling us dummy bunnies. Can you please ground him for this? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Hammer Bro. I'm really sorry about the interruption.
That's okay, Hammer Sis. Shall we continue with our kiss?
Yes. Let's continue with our kiss.
Dark Giga Meowser. How dare you interrupt Hammer Bro and Hammer Sis Kiss? You know that interrupting people's kiss is very rude and disrespectful.
But Mom and Dad, I'm extremely sorry.
Sorry isn't going to cut it. And don't say sorry to us. Say sorry to Hammer Bro and Hammer Sis. For this. You're grounded for 6 weeks. March upstairs to your room right now. Or else we will send you to Welsh.